What are you showing, Mommy Zen? Don't touch, okay? What are you showing, Mommy? Huh?
Another train.
The carts, yeah.
Crossing there.
Yeah.
And those the lights and
Yeah.
the bell
The lights. Where's the bell though?
right there.
Where? Oh, that's the bell. Okay, up
And
there.
there's the cosmic, the cantilever,
Uh-huh.
cantilever there.
Where?
I'm going to read that sign.
Okay, read it.
The place on the most empty 3019. The road stacked in.
Okay, that's it?
No, I forgot.
You forgot. Oh, no, you don't.
The base of the cross.
Oh, I see. That's the base of what?
The cross.
Oh,
And there goes the track. If the train is crossing, it goes ding, 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 ding.
yeah.
And there's another crossing over there, same as this.
Okay.
Over there.
Yeah? Are we done?
A bus going over track.
Are we done, bud?